Again, another very common topic that we see with newer traders is we refer to it as the full-time pipe dream, where most members who are coming to us, they want to quit their day job. They don't like their, whatever their primary source of income is, and they're trying to replace that with trading. And the difficult part of that is that if you're making, say, $60,000 a year and you can achieve a 10% return out of the market, you would need at least $600,000 to replace that income. And for most people starting out, that's not really a reality. And more so, you're subbing out one source of income. Say it's a W-2 or regular job, which is more, for the most part, guaranteed income, for trading, which is no part guaranteed. You could sit here 8 hours a day and lose money and have nothing to show for it. So our biggest focus with this program, what we try to instill, is to add additional sources. Trading can be a source. It's not going to be the only source. It should be an additional source to your primary breadwinner. And if you only have this as a source, there's no way to really fund the account. So you need to have income coming from somewhere else to fund this account or accounts. These accounts can grow. You can invest them smartly and add that source, not replacing one for the other. Again, that's the main point here, is just going in those examples of why you want to have this as the additional source and not your only. Even for all the members that we trade with, there's only one member that trades full-time, and that individual's retired. And that's the only reason why. They didn't quit their day job. They're still trading. Even in this example, we talk about June. So with us for a couple of years. And when he first started, he had $100 days, $200 days like everybody else. Years later, in this screenshot, he had a $68,000 or $58,000 trading day. This year alone, he's had $300,000 plus trading days, but he's been trading this for 5 years. This is not something that happened year one. It wasn't year two, even year four. It wasn't much, but eventually everything started to click for this individual. And now he's making a ton of money, relatively speaking, but he also still keeps his primary day job to help fund that account. So he can have days like that, because the funding from his main job was what helped him grow that account substantially, where he can have a 4 or 5% day, and that could be his P&L. Where if he only had this trading income, it would be very improbable that he'd be able to have those P&L days without the main income, growing that account. So he has the capital to work with.